Assalamualaikum everybody. It's a beautiful day here just outside of Glasgow in Renfrewshire. Absolutely amazing. It's a bit late in the day, but still it's absolutely amazing at the moment. And let's see what I find. So I'm here in Glen Park. Let's see what I find further on. Okay, I'm still walking. Been walking for about 5 minutes, I think, and I'm beginning to hear my favourite sound, water. I think it's going to be a waterfall. Well, that's what the sign back there said, waterfall. Oh wow, yes, I can see it now. Oh voila, there it is. Voila, voila, voila. Very nice. Very nice. That's made my Sunday walk very fruitful. Very worthwhile. Let's show you a bit more. And obviously it's just the beginning of spring. There's amazing colours and how fantastic! Oh, these acorns make potpourri to put them in the potpourri. Absolutely gorgeous. Nothing beats natural beauty. There's another path somewhere over there, which I dare take just in case. Can still hear the waterfall in the background, but I just thought I'd have a look at these trees. This tree is absolutely, must be really, really old. Way up there. Now this is the way down. I'm trying to get to the waterfall. There is a path, so, and this is part of that, so I'm going to attempt to get there. Let's see how far I get. So that's one bit done. Here we go into the second one. Okay. Well, I've made it this far. Absolutely out of breath because it was quite tricky back there. But I got here. I can hear it, and I passed a couple of people back there, and they said just around the corner. So just edging ever so carefully. Oh, what kind of a human structure can beat the natural? Absolutely fantastic. And oh my goodness, okay, I'm right underneath it. There it is. A little bit ever closer. It is March, the 6th of March, so we're in right in the beginning of spring. It's fairly cold today, although it's been and it's amazing. Love it, love it, love it. If it was slightly a better day, I would dare to go closer into the water, but as I think this is far enough for now. Let's just take a big wide shot around. You can see the sun all the way over there. I can literally feel the water spray from the waterfall. There we go. So this is my find for a Sunday. I thought I'd come into this video myself as well. Okay, here we go. This is me, and this is the waterfall, and this is Sunday. क्या कहते हैं वो, ये मैं हूँ, ये waterfall है, और अभी Sunday है. ये Sunday को है, और ये waterfall है.